Hey guys, it's Eric here again today. Getting pretty close to Christmas. I know everybody's going to be broke. So today I am going to continue my mission to show you guys how to get free spending money. If you look right here where my mouse is, that's 393. So that's $3.93 that I have here, just to show you that it is legit. I'm going to redeem. Go to Redeem SB, and I'm just using Amazon because you can't spend Amazon anywhere but Amazon. It keeps you, so you can use PayPal too if you want PayPal cash. So I'm going to redeem a $3 card, and there we go. Now you have to verify it. And I've got the email. I will check my email and take care of that. But back to the videos. Now, if you haven't noticed, I have multiple browser windows open at once so that I am able to watch videos, and then on this one I can do surveys. Now, if you cover up the video, they stop playing. So you have to have the video visible for you to earn the credits. You can earn up to $5 per day watching unique videos, and you do not have to watch the whole video. If you watch right here where it says 9 more videos, at some point in here when it gets halfway or more, it's going to say watch 8 more. At that point you can skip to the next one. So you don't have to watch the full video, just the majority of it. Easy way to get swag bucks every day. Go to the home page. I'm going to have to move this watch window over to my other screen so I can maximize this browser window. Alright, so here you go. Every day they have a daily poll. Click daily poll right here on the side tab. And what's your preferred method of baking cookies? I buy pre-made dough. So we vote that. See, we earned a penny. Wow. Voila. Alright. Close that. Now it's going to say daily search. You can go here and you can just click the search icon and close it out, refresh your browser, and you got those two things checked off. Now, deal of the day. If you click deal of the day, all it's going to do is just show you the deals. Click off of it, refresh your browser. Alright, now almost half your to-do list is done now. On the Discover, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's still easy. You go down here to where it says Explore Web Content and Earn, and just look for the piggy. Stop spending, start saving. If you go here and just leave that page open for a few minutes, you can skip on down to Attempt a Gold Survey. Now, I'm doing this survey right here just to show you that it is legit and valid. La da 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 da. Alright, see, I was disqualified, but I still got a penny for trying. So when you go over here and click refresh, scroll on down, now you have everything except for Daily Discover. Let's see here, what's up with that? Should already be done. I guess you just got to look at it for a minute. So, now let's see here. Complete a gold survey. Oops, something happened. Alright, there you go. Everything is done except for complete a gold survey. That is how you achieve your bonus. And as you can see, I went from 94 cents back up to $1. That's a quick and easy 6 cents. If you Hulu is a great one, because if you sign up for Hulu, they give you $20 and it comes right away. Let's see here. There we go. Oh, well. It won't let me sign up for a new one, I guess, because I've already got one. That's just one of the many, many things you can do. Let's see here. There's other really good deals. I'm trying to think of the ones that I've done that I know work and have worked already. The Grays. This is a good one. It's $3.50 cash back. It comes after your box arrives. You don't have to keep the subscription. Let's see here. All right. Let's see here. Swago is like bingo. Okay. So you see, each one of these things has a different mission. Like earn swag bucks from Swag IQ. Which is a game through Swagbucks. Earn SP from your referral. So if any of you guys want to accept my referral, that would be awesome. Earn SP from Entertain Now, which is a mobile app. Refer a friend to Swagbucks. Complete a gold survey. Answer a daily poll. So this is your Swago, and your full board will earn you $6.50. Just doing the perimeters, $2.50, and so on and so on. They all have rewards. Make sure that you do everything you want before you turn it in, because you can only turn in one card per month. Let's see here. Go back home. Spin and win. Let's see if we got any spin and wins. I got one spin. So these spins will give me a free Swag IQ rejoin. That's if you play Swag IQ. You, if you miss a question, you're out, but you can get a free rejoin, or you can buy rejoins, whichever you like to do. Now here's some of the sweepstakes that they have. You can enter these sweepstakes. See, for this many swag bucks. There's one day left on this Amazon $100 gift card one, and the price is only $7. 7 swag bucks, that's 7 cents. But they have a bunch of sweepstakes all the time. Let's see what else they got. Alright, discover, we've been there, search, play. These are all games that you can download and play and earn SP for playing them. So guys, I strongly suggest you check it out. If you look over here on my ledger, this is my new SB account. My other one I got logged out of. So I'll just let you see here. This is how much money I have made here since November. It's $86.49. Now if you really buckle down and go to answer and really answer the heck out of these surveys, let's find a quick one. You know, I do own a property. Let's see here. All right. Y'all don't judge me because I'm old. All right. I got kicked from that one, but I still got another penny, like I said. Time to complete. Let's see here. The short one's 3 minutes. Let's hit it up. I got a desktop, laptop, smart TV, smartphone, smartwatch, tablet. I'm a male. I'm 37. Make about 100,000 a year. There we go. So Chess, you just completed a survey and earned 25 SB. That's 25 cents. So, but I have now officially completed all of my daily goals. So that's why you get a bonus. All the daily goals have been completed. All right. So there you go, guys. Right there in this little amount of time, I just made almost 50 cents just talking to you guys and watching some videos. Here in a couple minutes, I'll have even more because my video playlist is almost done. So guys, make sure you check out Swagbucks. Give it a try. I will paste a referral link below. Please check it out. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe.